guys, and welcome back to my vlog. I just got home from Publix. I'm sorry, from Walmart, and I am going to show you how very quickly I put together this meal. It is called Arroz Con Sarchichas. And yeah, very quick, very easy. So let me put away all of these groceries, take off my boots because it was cold today, and then I will show you how I make this. Of course, I first have to wash the rice cooker. Surprised? No. And so this is going to be 1 out of 3 meals, very quick meals that I am going to put together for you this week. So tonight is going to be arroz con salchicha, and then the other 2 nights, one night I have corned beef with white rice, and then the third night I have cheesy rice with tuna. Let me tell you something, when my children were younger, those 3 foods were a staple in my house. They absolutely loved it, and it is very quick and easy, just the way I like it. Okay, so for the arroz con salchicha, I am going to need, this here is 16 ounces, which is 2 cups. This here is 10 ounces, which is a cup and a little bit more, 2 ounces. So I'm going to make these 2 bags. Then I'm going to add these salchichas, and I add Vienna sausages, and I slice them up. And then we're also going to make, or I am also going to make, some maduros, which happen to be James's favorite plantain. Okay, so here we go. 1 pack. And this pack already brings the seasoning inside. And then the second pack. And now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more. Hang on. 5 and 6. Now it says to add another half a cup, but I never do because when I used to, the rice is very sticky. So just 6 cups for these 2 packages. Now I'm going to slice up the sausages about that big, and then we're going to toss them in, not in here, in here. Let's give the rice a little bit of a stir. And now I'm going to continue cutting up the Vienna sausages. So I'm going to kind of speed up the process here. I got a little smart, and I'm going to do 3 sausages at a time. And it may look like a lot of sausages, but believe me, it really is not. Okay, let me finish these 2 cans, and I will be right back with the next step. I'm going to start turning this on so that it starts cooking or getting hot. I don't know why I like to make this this hand gesture. We now close the lid and let it cook. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put these plantains in the air fryer instead of in the oven. They tend to come out crispier and sweeter. I don't know, I just personally like them better in the air fryer rather than in the oven. Oh, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to spray this. Hang on. Actually, instead of spraying it, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of the pan. Like that. And now I'm going to put them in. I thought it'd be easier to do it with a fork, but I guess it's easier just to do it with my hands. My clean hands, by the way. Oh boy, what happened to this one? That one's not going in there for sure. I will probably have to make 2 batches of this. In it goes. And we're going to do the French fry. The French fry setting. And in 12 minutes, it should be ready. So now, in the meantime, I'm going to go sit on the couch. I'm going to upload a shorts onto YouTube and drink my tea while the rice and the plantains cook. So this is what it looks like. Arroz Con Sarchicha. And then over here I have the salad that I made for my husband because he's not going to, he's not going to eat the rice. And now let's taste. You see the smoke? A little bit of rice, a little bit of the sausage, and my nose itches. Just how I remember it. Really good. Ooh, I forgot something. Hold on. You just gotta have this with the platanitos. So, some platanito. Let's do sausage, a little bit of rice, and some platanito. Oh, yes, baby. So good. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to finish my little plate of food and I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for every time that I upload a new video. Alrighty guys, love you. Bye!